Steam cleaners are an often underrated appliance that will clean and sanitize solid and soft surfaces in your home without the use of chemicals. You may have been introduced to them through a TikTok cleaning reset video or your best friend who swears by their steam cleaner when facing a sticky spill from snack time. You should consider surface compatibility, attachments, and also the type of steam cleaner you need when shopping. There are canister-style appliances, mops, or handheld gadgets. Here are the best steam cleaners, backed by our testing. Our recommendation number 1. Black Plus Deca 7-in-1 Steam Mop. Of all the steam cleaners we tested, the Black Plus Deca 7-in-1 multipurpose steam cleaner stands out as the best choice for anyone looking for this type of appliance. It can clean just about anything thanks to its long list of attachments and flexible design. In our lab, it accumulated 5-star scores in key performance areas like usability, versatility, and portability. It can be used as a mop and handheld appliance. Our recommendation number 2. COSTWAY 2000W Multipurpose Steam Cleaner. If you want to deep clean just about anything in your home but don't want to spend a ton on a steam cleaner, the versatile COSTWAY Multipurpose Steam Cleaner is the way to go. It comes with 19 accessories, so you can use it on everything from floors to furniture. Our testing team was most impressed by how quickly the cleaner heats up compared to other picks. Setting up the cleaner also met our testers' expectations, earning it 4 stars for this attribute. Our first challenge for this cleaner was the soy sauce test on a tile surface. It took a little less than 3 minutes to dissolve the spill. Our tester gave it an effectiveness rating of 4 stars, noting that it'll take a pass or 2 to remove a wet stain, and you may need to use a sponge as well. Our recommendation number 3. Shark S5003D Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System. The fastest way to steam clean your floors is with an upright, mop-style steam cleaner, like the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Pocket Mop. This steam floor mop is designed specifically for sealed hard surfaces such as tile and sealed hardwood. Our recommendation number 4. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. Not all steam cleaners are recommended for use on the carpet due to the available settings or attachments for the appliance. But if you struggle with stains on your carpet or rugs, a steam cleaner offers a way to remove stains with just the power of water. The Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner has what it takes to clean carpets, rugs, upholstery, and more. There are no wheels to maneuver it from room to room, but it only weighs about 9 pounds and has a retractable handle that stows away inside the cube when not in use. Our recommendation number 5. Pure Enrichment Pure Clean XL Rolling Steam Cleaner. Sanitizing tile and cleaning grout lines can seem like a chore, but the Pure Enrichment Multipurpose Steam Cleaner offers an easier way to enjoy fresh floors. Of all the steam cleaners we tested, this model has one of the largest water tanks. It holds almost 61 ounces of water, making it perfect for cleaning many square feet of tile flooring. It also features oversized wheels so it can easily roll behind you on your cleaning conquest, in addition to a handle for better grip when going up and down stairs in your home. It earned a 5-star rating for portability and also for the simple setup process, which took just under 8 minutes. When testing the Pure Enrichment Multipurpose Steam Cleaner on tile and grout, it removed a soy sauce spill in 2 minutes flat.